So we're just taking a quick look at Dehub on our daily time frame today for another little daily update on the price action. As we can see, we're very much still under this resistance here. We're having a bit of a sell-off ever since we've got this new token launch in February. It came at a little bit of a bad time just because Bitcoin since then has been chopping sideways, and pretty much every single altcoin across the board has been bleeding to the downside as a result. Dehub here is no exception, sitting at around $3 million market cap right now, and very much looking like it's starting to pick up though. You can see obviously we got down to the real lows of the recent move to the downside in the market in general about halfway through August. Since then we've been seeing signs of life. You can see people starting to accumulate some bags down here of Dehub at these lows. Obviously we've got the original all-time low launch price down here. We're still up around 10x from that launch price down here, which was here at 0.0000069, and obviously we're down around 100x from that closed all-time high as well. So lots and lots of room to grow back into. Obviously very, very interesting chart as well, in my opinion. Obviously, I don't have the full chart history here, but essentially what happened was we got the previous bull market, we had the launch, and then a very, very quick move all the way up to the all-time high. Pretty much came straight back down because of essentially, you know, the bear market instantly just destroyed everything in 2021, 2022. Dehub was no exception, and you can see here, as a result of that, we have basically got the price action here of the newly launched token. Obviously it came into the market at quite a bearish period, so we've been going down, but I do think we are showing some signs here that we could be having a really, really good bull market for this token. There's obviously lots of room to move back into up here, 100x back towards the all-time highs. $3 million market cap is really small. Really, really interesting narrative in the gaming space. Really, really good potential, in my opinion. That whole space is going to be growing massively in this cycle. And I do think if people pick up some of these micro caps like Dehub, very, very interesting times ahead if that is the case. Obviously, they've got a really nice product, really nice website, lots and lots of good backing, docs team, all the good stuff that people look for in a project. They're going to rotate their capital in during the final stages of the bull market. We all know how things work by now. We've obviously got Bitcoin moving first, Ethereum, etc. Then your large caps, your mid caps, and then obviously micro caps. And I do think in gaming especially, there's going to be a lot of big movers. Obviously, everyone knows that I cover Veracity quite a lot on this channel, which I do think also will move really nicely. But overall, I just feel like this is a crypto that is, you know, it's just starting to trickle. You know, it's just starting to get that trickle of interest, a little bit of volume, a few people buying in. And I do think if this thing starts to break out to the upside, coming back up into this area here, which I think is highly likely over the next few months, in my opinion, then we could be looking at a big move, not just for this, but the whole altcoin space in general. I think we are seeing the first signs of the whole space basically starting to reverse around from the current area that we are in. We've obviously got Bitcoin chopping around for ages, but I think altcoins showing signs of reversal, and I do think that all these smaller altcoins are going to start to get some nice rotation soon as well, as we start to rotate through our capital again and head back to the upside. Dehub right here, in my opinion, very much just one of those cryptos that's chilling and waiting for the whole market to make a big move. So as always, thank you very much for watching. Make sure to sign up to Bybit down below. You get that big 30k bonus. If you deposit $100, there's loads of stuff on there that you want to get involved with, the airdrop, etc. And like and subscribe for more.